Hey, welcome back to the channel. I recently bought this lamp for my desk. I didn't find a good way to mount it onto the desk, so I just have it sitting on this stand. And I need to come up with a way to mount it to the stand. I was just thinking of designing some simple clamps that would squeeze the center part of the lamp and mount it to the stand, picking up some of these holes, these two in the front, maybe some in the back or on the side. Then I also want to mount the switch somewhere on the side of the stand, somewhere in this location. So a lot of times I work with the light in the room on, but occasionally I do like it off. And this is what the lamp looks like when the room light is off and the lamp is on. As you can see, it's wobbly, and I'm thinking about mounting the light underneath the stand. So I jumped on Onshape and I modeled up this clamp. It's got two holes in it and one hole through the center that's going to hold the lamp shaft. I then created the switch holder. It's got two holes to mount to the stand, and these hooks on either end are going to catch the wire of the switch and hold it in place. Here's a couple of shots of me printing it out on the printer. The prints turned out really good. You put two of the clamps together and that's going to squeeze the shaft of the lamp. I'm going to arrange it something like this maybe. Here's the switch holder. Like I said before, I'm going to mount it on these two holes, and these two hooks hook the wire to hold the switch in place. Alright, now for the assembly. I turned the stand upside down and I put the screws in from the bottom going up. Put the first clamp on. Put the lamp on. Put the other clamp on. Put a washer and nuts on. And then I just repeat the process for the other one. I ended up bending the lamp shaft and mounting it with a curve in it so it's more steady. Now it's time to mount the switch holder. Just like the other one, I started by putting the screws in from the bottom. Put on the switch holder with washer and nuts. Now I turn the entire stand around. And I put on the switch, first by putting one of the wires through the hook and then the other wire through the hook. The last thing I did was to tighten up all the screws. And to help me grow the channel, please like and subscribe. With that, this is completed. I put the stand back in place. I adjust the light. And I take it through a few cycles, turning it off and on, turning the room light off and on, just so you can see how it looks. I think it looks great. On to the next project. Thanks for watching.